In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to effectively use authority sites to increase your search engine optimization. Now, this video is going to be quick and fast. However, I'm going to show you a powerful method that can help you a lot. So let's go ahead and get started. So basically, the way this method works is you set up a WordPress site, you write some content, and within that content itself, you basically link to a high authority site. For example, Wikipedia or a bigger site than that. But in this case, we're going to be using Wikipedia. Now, when Google comes to your site, basically what they're looking for is good content and is it credible content? Now, if you're linking to an authority site like Wikipedia, a news channel, or some sort of science or some sort of credible education, medical, or big site, then they're going to put a little more weight on your content. They're going to see your content as, okay, this is good content, but also this content is linking to a credible source. You don't necessarily get a lot of link juice from this, but you get a few pluses in Google's mind because you're pointing and referencing credible sources. I mean, if you think about it, when somebody writes a paper, and you think about when you had to write papers in high school and college, you always had to reference specific sites whenever you were writing a paper and you read their content and you referenced them. So very, very similar idea. So what I want you to do is simply go to google.com. That in this example, we're going to be writing a content piece on how WordPress is helpful and this and that. So it's gonna talk about WordPress. So what I would prefer to do normally is I would type the keyword in, and then I would type in something like Wikipedia. And then I would go to this link, I'd open it in a brand new window, and then I would put something like, I don't know, news. Mashable is a fairly high authority site. Let's try something like MSN News. Okay, so I didn't really find anything in the news channels that would actually support my case. So I'm going to stick with Wikipedia and Mashable. Now, once you have found at least one credible authority site source, it's time to create a post or a page. If we go back to our WordPress dashboard, and let's say, for example, we'll go to posts, click on add new, and create a new post. So I went ahead and paused this video and created a post that says how to create a website with WordPress. And in this article, I'm going to show you how to create a website using WordPress in 4 easy steps. Step number 1, install the site. In step number 2, install the theme. Step number 3, tweak your theme. And step number 4, etc., etc. Now I'm saying according to Wikipedia, WordPress was founded in blah. And what you can do is highlight the WordPress and link it and put a link to that site, the WordPress site that we just got here, and click on open link in new window. That way, if somebody clicks on it, they will stay on your site. Click on add link, and we could put another credible source. Since it says WordPress 3.5 has arrived. And of course, I'm putting this here, but you can put this anywhere you want. And I just wanted to show you this as an example where you're basically writing your content, but you're linking to a credible source. Because a lot of people that take advantage of Google, and Google's looking for people that are taking advantage of them. So if they see that, oh wow, you're linking to a credible source, you must be a legitimate piece of content or a legitimate site. So we could say something like WordPress 3.5 has arrived. And according to Mashable. And you can put a link here and link that link here. And that's it. So the whole point of this is to understand that you find credible authority sites like Wikipedia, news sites, news channels, radio places, or places with credible authoritative sites, and just link to them. And yeah, you might get people to go to that site, but that's obviously why you want to make sure that whatever site that you link to, has information that actually supports whatever your content or article is. And that's it. Of course, click on publish and click on your categories and you're good to go.